I am introducing you to this awesome robot car kit, the ultimate gateway to the exciting world of robotics. Packed with multiple sensors like ultrasonic, sound, infrared, and color sensors, this kit empowers beginners to effortlessly delve into the realm of creativity, enabling the assembly of versatile robots like line followers and obstacle avoiding marvels. Introducing the mBot 2 Neo. Let's get to know more about it. If you are interested in learning robotics, home automation and other fun hobby projects using Arduino and Raspberry Pi, do check out our channel. You're gonna love it. And if you find this video useful, do give this video a like and subscribe to our channel for more awesome videos. So let's get started. mBot 2 Neo is a new and powerful smart robot developed by MakerBloks to help kids learn electronics, robotics and STEM in an interesting and very simple way. Kids will be motivated to study, develop and play with robots in countless ways by the simple to assemble mBot 2 Neo robot. The package includes everything you need to get started with the robot: the robot chassis, the motors, wheels, the controller board, connecting wires and even the tools you will need to assemble them. In addition to being compatible with Python and block-based coding, the CyberPi, which is the brain of the board, has an ESP32 microcontroller for wireless connectivity. It also includes this panel with 8 customizable LEDs for improved interaction and an ultrasonic sensor that detects objects. Together with simple and advanced line detection programs, the quad RGB sensor comes with 4 sensor probes that provide color recognition. A high accuracy encoder motor and a 3-axis accelerometer from CyberPi are also included in the mBot 2 Neo. The encoder motors can be perfectly controlled and driven up to 200 RPM and have a 1 degree detection accuracy. A lithium-ion battery is also included with mBot 2 Neo, which may be used with a range of external parts. The CyberPi microcontroller is an effective and adaptable tool for teaching and learning robotics. CyberPi has a full color display, Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity, and 8 separate sensors embedded into it. The inclusion of CyberPi with an integrated microphone and high-quality speaker, together with mBloks cognitive services, simplifies speech recognition and text reading, allowing students to investigate cutting-edge AI and IoT technologies. And the fact that mBot 2 Neo can be assembled in just 30 minutes is one of its key features. And after the robot is configured, we can quickly begin using MakerBlok app to learn coding, voice control, and app control driving. Python and block-based coding are also supported on the mBlok coding platform. The mBot 2 Neo goes the extra mile in ensuring an engaging and exciting learning experience for kids by providing a complimentary tutorial and sample coding projects. So, if you are interested in this, do make sure you check it out. The link is in the description down below. So guys, to sum up, mBot 2 Neo is an exceptional robotics learning aid that skillfully combines creativity, usability and adaptability to produce an engaging and super fun robotics experience.